Hello and welcome back to day 3 of our 30-day English speaking and learning challenge. Today we are going to learn the present perfect tense, one of the most important tense in English. We use the present perfect tense to talk about actions that happened in the past, but the time is not specific. Actions that have just happened. Actions that started in the past and still continue. Let's take 12 words and use them with affirmative, negative, interrogative, and double interrogative forms. Open. I have opened the door. I have not opened the door. Have I opened the door? What have I opened? Close. We have closed all the windows. We have not closed all the windows. Have we closed the windows? Which windows have we closed? Call. You have called your friend. You have not called your friend. Have you called your friend? Whom have you called? Clean. He has cleaned his room. He has not cleaned his room. Has he cleaned his room? What has he cleaned? Draw. She has drawn a beautiful picture. She has not drawn a beautiful picture. Has she drawn a beautiful picture? What has she drawn? Break. They have broken the glass. They have not broken the glass. Have they broken the glass? What have they broken? Win. I have won the match. I have not won the match. Have I won the match? Which match have I won? Loss. We have lost our keys. We have not lost our keys. Have we lost our keys? What have we lost? Sing. You have sung a nice song. You have not sung a song. Have you sung a song? What have you sung? Sleep. He has slept. He has not slept. Has he slept? When has he slept? Paint. She has painted her wall. She has not painted her wall. Has she painted her wall? What has she painted? Finish. They have finished their homework. They have not finished their homework. Have they finished their homework? What have they finished? Practice tip. Choose any 5 of your daily activities. Use present perfect tense to describe them. Say them aloud and record yourself to boost confidence. Now it's your turn. Comment 5 sentences using the present perfect tense with different verbs, and tomorrow we will learn the present perfect continuous tense. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to stay on track with your daily English growth. Bye.